Hello guys, good afternoon. It's February right now, so I'm so sorry guys. I was busy, like I was doing live and thing, and I was really busy, so I couldn't upload that much. But yeah, guys, happy Valentine's to you all, and hopefully you have a great day. And so yeah, well, I'm just planning to go around right now because you know should be happy because it's hard day today. Guys, see you there. Ano sa beach?
Kala ko.
Bili muna kami gas, wala na kaming gas. Kasi mag-import tayo. Baka magtulak tayo. 100 lang. Pagitang. Ay, sorry. Going to the beach. Bili muna kami gas, guys. Wala kaming gas. Kuya, 100 po. Diba?
Hanggang ba? Money.
Okay lang, meron pa yan sa susunod. Thank you, kuya. Uy, isa. Guys, katakot yung mga truck. Oh my God. Lakad lang muna kami sa beach kasi wala kaming budget pang camping. Mahal mag-camping. Kasi may beach kuya sa sila. Pagkagubat. Makita ko sa inyo yung resort ka na. There's a resort. Ay, ang daming tao. Gagi.
Ilalim ko.
No. Guys, dito na kami sa resort. Ay, sa ano? Free beach to. May resort. Hi. I think binagkakamping.
Ang lalim mo.
Ay, grabe.
Ayan tao.
Hindi, may nagkakamping. Nagkakamping, guys. We don't have budget. That's why we can't. No budget, guys. Tingnan mo, guys. Tabi-tabi po. Against the light. May nagkakamping dito. Sino?
Tulog ko pa nila.
Ay,
Uy, mo! Ay! Naiwan yung isa niya! Pasot mo kasi yung ipalak mo kasi. Kaya hindi niya kasanayin.
so nice. But, meron lang mga ano, basura. Here. So, it's kinda not good. Always trash in the Philippines. Yata siya. Swimming ka, Kay? Swimming ka, Kay? Gagagi, maliligo siya sa...
Nalilo! Ako! Bitawan!
Kil, lakad na, Kil.
Wala akong love light dito. Kaya gagala lang muna sa akin, guys.
Lagi, magpapakarga na naman si Unggoy. Dito. No. No. No, bulin lang. Ay, palakarin mo lang para buhangin naman yun. Dali, takbo, takbo.
Camera man. Manual.
Bibi, bakit ganyan ka, Bi?
Ayan, magdaw-daw lang tayo ng bangka na binibig.
Uy, bawal magtawag na.
Pati yung buhangin nila dito.
Pero may mga ano, basura. Basura.
One.
May baby damulag. Ang arte-arte.
Takot sa bakal. Hindi sa bakal.
Private property na yan.
Pati nakikita yung mukha ko sa vlog mo dyan.
Didelete ko naman mukha mo.
Hindi mo kasama.
Oh my gosh.
Takbo na, Bi.
Bulong dali. One.
Takbo na nilak mo.
Run! No, wag lang, no!
What?
Medyo okay pa yung dagat dito kaysa sa ano, sa Ginipang. Girl. Doon lang kayo magbablog lang. Doon lang kayo magbablog lang. So nice here, guys, but it's so I was few days ago I was like planning to do like camping here, but now I don't have budget. I can't even rent a tent. That's why I couldn't do it. Iwan ko.
Yan pa yun. Ganyan ba to? Ito yung natin yung mataas. Gapon tayo ng gabi.
Ay, kaya nga. Private property na yata yan. Wait lang, doon muna kayo may sasabihin, mag-ano lang ako, magbababan. Ay, hindi pa pala.
Matulog lang naman. Hindi naman pasok sa amin.
Sa bagay, maganda kasi, parang, oh, maganda dito mag-camping. It's so quiet and peaceful. There's I think around over there's so many people right now. It's really nice, but it's the only the trash is making it ugly. There are so many boats because you know, people that are going fishing. So anyway guys, I'm heading home now because I think it's going to rain and I'm hungry. Hopefully guys, you guys have a nice Valentine's Day. That's it. Thank you for watching.